my golf, when I was very young, when I was 10 years old, and I'm living from the Jamshedpur, and there is a golf academy, Beldi Golf Club. I start play there. When I start from the left hand first. 1 year I played left hand golf, and then my handicap was, when I was junior, my handicap was 9. And then after, my brother, he was also professional. He told me long time ago, if you change your switch the left to right, you will be play more better. Then I changed it, and after when I start, it's struggling in the beginning, but after I improved my game, and then I played 91 to 93. I played Indian Tour in India. Then unlucky, because my game was not very bad. I was very good, but very difficult to get the sponsorship that time. And I am not from the rich family. I am from the middle class. And when I go to play the tournament, I'm playing under pressure, because every time I'm thinking about the next step. I have to make a cut. Otherwise, a lot of traveling, entry fee, lot of things. And then lucky, the one guy is came from here, from Doha, but he's from Australian guy. He came to Mumbai, and he asked me about the, if you like to come to Doha. And now I came in Doha 1996. Okay, 1996, I just came here for I was driving range supervisor when I was here, 1996 to 2005. But same time, I look after our national, Qatar national team. They knows me very well. They sometimes I give some tips. So okay, and after 2005, then they decided no, Anwar is part of our national team coach, and then I start to teaching to our national team. So now I have a senior national team, under 18, under 15, advanced, and beginner. Now they come through me. I taught them all, everyone. So now I'm happy, and now we have a very good, the progress from the, the QG, especially the Qatari team. Now it's improving better than before. Now they have a scope, and now new generation also, they like to play. They know about the golf. So now they are very interesting, and now we are busy for the training. Every week, for Sunday to Wednesday, we have a training, 3 to 6:30, and weekend they playing the tournament. After the tournament, we want to see the result, and we're discussing about the player, which area you have a problem. So we're trying to fix it, and now at the moment is okay. And I'm happy over here in Doha since 1996 to 2020, almost 25 years. As Ali Al Bishi and Abdul Rahman Al Sharani and Abdul Rahman Al Demi, Ahmad Mutawa, Saud Al Muhannadi, Abdullah Wahid, Abdul Aziz Al Kawari, and Ghana Isa Al Kawari. Now I'm talking all the Qataris, they are in the national team to now. I taught them beginning when they are learn. I'm taught them the basic, the posture, the grip, the swing, and then after when he improved, then we send it to the other coaches. We have one more coach from because it's difficult for me to teach to all the players, But still, if they have some problem, our national team, the players, they come to me, say, coach, now I have something. It's easy for me because I taught them from the beginning, So I know which part you have a big problem. Then we can fix quickly, within 5-10 balls. It's good.
What is your opinion on Qatar golf? Can it become good, become best in this?
Yeah, he can now. See, now that we have a very young star, young kid, they're playing very good golf. But golf is not magic. You have to work hard. You have to give more time. You have to learn about the technique. Basic is okay, but learn the technique, and you have to give more time for the golf to improve your game, because the golf is not like the internal. It's all over the world. Now golf is very tough, because I'm talking about when we are playing the golf there in India. Not too many people they come to the play the qualifying round. Now big difference. So now all over the world is challenging. It's not like if I without practice I say I can win the match. No, we have to work hard. And our national team, the player, all the below 25 years old now, and they are playing good golf. But it's still, if you wanted to play like an international level, you have to work more hard about the basic technique, lot of things, Yeah, Ali sir, I played one time, you know, the 1993 when I was, you know, in Patna. I played with him and I played with his brother now because he's senior, you know, he's senior. But his brother, you know, I played with the Noni, Basat Ali. They are very top player in India, you know. I played with them, but not that time. They are already, you know, they're moving. It's old age. And I played with the new generation, like you know, uh,
Jyoti Randhawa,
Jyoti Randhawa. He's younger than me. Jyoti Randhawa, and you know the Jeev Milkha Singh,
Arjun Atwal.
Arjun Adwal. They are younger. You know when we are playing, they are amateur but good players. And now they know, the like a lot of people, you know, they are new and now they're playing good golf, you know. And golf, they have to work hard. It's not easy game. Still, you know, I'm here in summertime. I don't want to sit inside the office. I love this game. I'm practicing over here. I wanted to make something, you know. I want to find the good way how I can make the, you know, the game easy to our player. I'm finding some different technique, and if it works for me, if I'm very happy. I'm applying to my player. Try this one. We'll see what will happen.
Which
You know the Tata.
on Tata Nagar.
Yeah, Tata Nagar.